I called Guardian this time because they're our go-to roofers. I wouldn't trust anybody else. And we found water dripping out of our family room ceiling one morning. And I called them right as they opened. And by 3 o'clock that afternoon, they had someone up on my roof and tarping the damaged area. They found the leak. It actually was a roof leak from a vent failure that then found a second-story hollow wall that then went through that wall and came out our first-story ceiling. So we were completely lost, and I don't know how they found it, but they're so good at that. And they stopped it in between rainstorms, so I was really grateful. And not only did they come out the same day, but they were giving me updates before they came out. So I knew they were trying to get there. I knew they were rearranging schedules for someone, and they told me when they were going to be here. They kept me in the loop the whole time, so I wasn't just sitting there staring at water coming out my ceiling and freaking out for hours. One of my favorite things, and why I stick with Guardian for all my roof stuff, is because they aren't pushy. They're very professional. They don't try to sell me everything. They explain what's wrong. And Josh is amazing. He always makes a video for us, so I don't have to get up on the roof and I don't have to try to imagine what he's talking about. I would recommend Guardian to anybody. In fact, I have, including my parents. So I'm very selective on who I recommend to them.